Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, getting the best of the best and the real and the real. Spice had a complete takeover of social media with her new look. If you haven't seen what Spice looked like, here's a picture. Color change was in promotion of her new song Black Hypocrisy in regards of colorism in the Caribbean and Black. Spice did not only hit the Caribbean media waves, but she also hit international by being on TMZ, BET, and the most controversial lady of all Black entertainment, Wendy Williams. In the midst of all that, she also announced that she'll be releasing her mixtape called Captured. Spice's song Black Hypocrisy made 1 million views in the matter of 24 hours. The most controversial show of Jamaica, Sting, will be making its comeback on December 26th of this year. According to The Star, it will be less clashing and more friendly to those coming to the event. Jimmy Cliff posted a video on Instagram stating that he had surgery on his hip in the US. He is now recovering. Here's a clip of that video.
Hi everyone, I am Jimmy Cliff. I'm here in rehab, recovering very well since I broke my hip. Now I am doing this to say to you all, I thank you for your great support that you've given me all over the years. As soon as I'm fit and strong again and ready to go, I look forward to seeing you all again. Thank you very much.
Sanchez gets a street named after him. What was known as Park Lane is now Sanchez Drive. Lil' Kim has a remix out for her song Nasty One, and we're gonna call this the Caribbean mix. London, Cranium, and Hood Celebrity are featured on that song. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.